During this evaluation, your ears should be checked and cleared of any earwax. After that, a variety of tests using tones, words, and speech and background noise should be completed to determine your type and level of hearing loss and whether or not you might benefit from hearing treatment. This series of tests can also help to refer you to the appropriate specialist if the cause of your hearing loss is something that's medically treatable. This can include things like a perforated eardrum, an ear infection, or middle ear conditions such as otosclerosis. But what if your hearing loss is not able to be medically treated? Well, don't worry, because over 90% of hearing losses can be successfully treated through the use of well-programmed hearing aids.